right, another late start here at the wood yard. However, today, like I told you guys in the previous video, I know some of you guys are gonna be upset, man, but we're saying goodbye to the Lexus. Oh, what's up? Is that Lincoln? That's Lincoln. Oh, he's out. Peace out, brother. So yeah, you know, it treated us real well, man. Obviously, you guys saw it. I mean, it runs obviously great. There's really no issues. Replaced so many things along this car. It's came a long way, especially for those that have been with me for a while. You guys have been around and seen the progression. We lost a lot of content with this car, which kind of sucks because it was going to be a really cool kind of like transformation video, but that never happened. But it's good, you know, and we can always get another one. But this car, I'm actually trading it. I'm not just selling it, I'm trading it. And this has been a car that I've been wanting for a while. So it's kind of wild that I had this opportunity. So you know, he should be rolling up pretty soon. And yeah, man, I cleaned it all up. It's looking pretty good. You know, it's nice, man. You know, it's decent shape inside. The dash is kind of sticky, which is the only thing that kind of really sucks about it interior wise. But otherwise, it's pretty nice in there. Obviously, we wrapped it. It's looking good. So I'll show you guys the new car when it gets here. There she goes. Damn. And just like that, we made our first ever trade, ladies and gentlemen. And the car is right in front of me right now. I have the biggest smile on my face, and I cannot believe this car is mine right now. This shit is crazy. There goes the old Lexus though, man. What a journey with that car. They're gonna do some big things with that thing. I'm stoked. So if you guys want to follow Vyncint, I actually have his Instagram down below. Vyncint actually plays for the New York Jets, so pretty cool. Oh god, I can't show you guys the car. It's a little bit dark. This car is a project. You guys can hear it's running. It needs a little bit of work, but it's all good, man. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna call it a night right now. I'm actually gonna go ahead and park it somewhere in the shop with the Z, and we'll be back here in the morning to go ahead and finish this video up. But damn, I'm stoked. This is gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be sick, dude. So sick. All right, so I'm sitting in the car right now, and I'm in shock right now, man. You guys may be able to tell just from the seats. I don't know if you guys can maybe see the seats. Hopefully you guys can't see the seats because, woo, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is really good. It's got a little bit of flywheel chatter. Ready? Goes away. Man, it's a cold one in Texas today, man. It's like 50 degrees. I don't know what that's all about. There she is, man. This is crazy. This is wild. So I'm really stoked to show you guys this car. Hopefully you guys are excited about this thing, and like I said, we're going back to the roots a little bit. So some of you guys caught on, some of you guys did not. It's all good, but here we are. So I revealed to you guys a brand new car. So you're gonna have to pardon the edit. I don't know if it was any good or not. I was trying to use the big old rig over there. That thing is tough to use, man. I couldn't get the focus right, so I was kind of in between that and the GoPro. But this is it, dude. I can't believe it. This is so wild. Like, the guys that were upset about me getting rid of the IS, hopefully you guys kind of understand and you know, you see why I did it. So this is so sick. Like, it's not a GTR, obviously, you know, and it's okay. You know, I've been wanting a GTR, but I'm not upset with this move by any means. So this thing, I think it's a 1992 R32 GTST. Got a lot of mods on it, but you know, we're not going to get too in depth in this car right now. I just wanted to kind of reveal things to you because I want to stay on this daily schedule, and this is going to be a same day upload, and diving in this car is going to be like a full day thing. So I really want to take my time and really dissect it. So if you guys are wondering like where the front bumpers are, or if it's got a front bumper, it does have a front bumper. Let me show you. So this is I think the one that was in the car, but obviously it's broken there. Here is a GTR bumper that fits. It's a little bit off on the side where the fenders are, but it looks pretty rad. So at least we have that. We can go ahead and install that. I'm already brewing up ideas and plans for this thing, man. It's great. Obviously we have the RB20 power plant. Woo, this is really cool. Just a quick brief overview. I believe it has an upgraded turbo. I don't know exactly what make this intercooler is. Oil cooler, you know, we have a zero fab intake manifold. I love these intake manifolds. I just found out a zero fab just now. Upgraded fuel injectors. She's ready to party, dude. Has a NIS tune on it, just needs a tune. You already know we're gonna have to give it that Kalvin special engine bay touch. The wheels are wild, dude. The wheels are so wild. The Racing Hearts Type C's. Apparently these center caps right here are super rare, these carbon ones. So we'll polish these up. These are 2-piece wheels. We'll definitely have to refinish these because they're so period correct. I'm really about them. Let's go ahead and pull this thing up. I've already walked to the passenger side door like countless times, and I've only driven this thing like 3 times. So dude, it's got the BR rev limiter. I mean, come on, we'll test that out. I'll show you guys what that's all about. That thing's actually, I have a video clip. Insert now. All right, yeah, you good? That was last night, so you know, we'll have some more fun with it here. We'll try and play with some settings. Dude, these keys are just filling up right. The only thing I don't have on my keys right now is my 240 key. And I just realized, like, if you think about it, we kind of have like the holy trinity. I guess it's not, this isn't GTR, so you know, whatever. But we have a Skyline, a 240, and a 300Z, which were all like the pinnacle cars of the 90s and Nissan. So that's pretty cool. I thought that was pretty neat. Pretty stoked just to have this. It's just so surreal sitting in here. Like, everything's in Japanese. The fans are constantly on, so we gotta fix that. Man, I'm so stoked. Shout out to all my Skyline homies out there. Anthony, my homie from back home. I'm joining the family, bro. Like I said, it does need a tune, so you know, that's just condensation smoke. That ain't no oil or anything like that. So yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh God. So the Skyline made it inside. It is pouring rain outside, so unfortunately I feel kind of bad about the 240, but it's just stranded outside in the rain. Poor girl. So yeah, hopefully you guys join me in tomorrow's video. We're gonna dissect and just dive in, man. We're gonna start working on this thing right off the bat. take it for a test drive. We'll figure it out what we do. But that's gonna be it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for sticking around. I do hope you guys are excited for this. And yeah, this is gonna be a good time. This is gonna be a good build. I have a lot of plans. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.